Hello in the next episode. In today's video I'm going to repair PlayStation 5 which came in for no power repair. So let's fix it. Today's sponsor of this video is PCBWay, a leading PCB manufacturer and assembly service provider. Celebrates its 10th anniversary with gratitude to its customers and commitment to continued excellence in PCB manufacturing and innovation. They offer exclusive coupons, different values, and give away free prizes. There are so many prizes to win, starting with cordless soldering station, toolkit 55-in-1 precision screwdriver, toy beetle, a palm-sized robot dog, speech recognition, nano development board. So we've got many options to choose. PCBWay. So let's back to our video. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to plug the power and see if you've got 12 volts on the motherboard. Black probe on the ground. Alright, so the black probe on the ground. Let's check this place. And as you can see, we've got 12 volts on the motherboard. Do we have 5 volts? Nope. Before I started, recording, I've checked this console with the UART tool, but it's totally dead. So there is no answer from the console at all. And we should have here about 3.2 volts, 3.3 volts. And we have nothing, yeah, F0. So we cannot turn on the console, as you can see, clicking the power button. But the console is dead. It's completely dead, and it doesn't give any response if I use the UART tool. So we don't have 5 volts, we don't have 3.3 volts, we've got only 12 volts. So we've got a problem somewhere here that we need to solve it. So I'm going to disassemble this console. Alright, so I'm going to set up my multimeter for the beep mode, continuity mode. So if I cross both probes, it beeps. Alright, so I'm going to check all the fuses first and see what we can find here. Alright, first I'm going to start from this is the bottom of the Wi-Fi module, and these caps, they like to be shorted very often. So I'm checking like that, and there's no beep. No beep. I just shorted, the probes. No beep. No beep. So the Wi-Fi module is looking good. Alright, so let's check the other components. Alright, so let's check if we got, you see that 2 chips and 2 capacitors. They are fitting, the USB ports with 5 volts. Let's check if we got short here, because we have no 5 volts at all. And it's really interesting because we've got zero ohms. So this circuit is shorted. And the same this one. So we've got 5 volts is shorted to ground. We know that we've got shorted 5 volt rail. And that's why probably we've got missing 3.3 rail. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to do this very quickly. I'm going to inject here 5 volts and see which element on the motherboard is getting hot. What do you think? Is it one of the chips on the motherboard or maybe the capacitor? No idea, honestly. But this is the easiest way to fix it. Inject the voltage and use the thermal camera to see what is getting hot. Hopefully I'm not shorting something else out. No. That's okay. Alright, so my thermal camera is prepared. So I just need to inject voltage. So minus. So we've got minus attached to the HDMI port, and we've got plus attached to the place where we need to inject 5 volts. I'm setting up my power supply bench for 5 volts, and I'm going to set it up for 3 amps. This is just at the beginning, so we will see. Alright, so this is the moment of truth, probably. Or maybe no, we will see that. Alright, so I'm turning on my power supply. And let's check what it's getting hot. Move it a little bit to show you. All right, so only one place on this side of the board, one hot place is just the cap where my wire is connected to. All right, so I stopped injecting the voltage because, you know, everything points me to that cap. So let's go under the microscope. I'm going to remove this capacitor and see if the short's gone or no. 475 degrees. Alright, so let's check this now. I can't believe it, you know, I can't believe this. Look at this. The short is gone. There's no short anymore. So, so I've injected, you know, the 5 volts ray at the end of this cap, which was faulty. You know, it's hard to believe, but it is what it is. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going just to take my donor board and I'm going to replace that cap with the good one from my donor board. So give me a sec. I'll be back soon. Let's measure this first. No short, no beeps. Let's check if we still... I'm checking if we still got the short. No short at all. Alright, so do you think that's all? Is it going to be the fastest repair ever? I don't know. Let's check now. I'm going to put, the motherboard into place and see if that works. The power cable. Let me check the voltages before I press the power button. Just need to see if you can see any difference. Alright, so we've got here 12 volts. Do we have 5 volts here? Yes, we've got 5 volts. Do we have 3.3 volts? Yes, everything came back to normal. What an express repair! Oh, I wish I had all consoles, repair time as fast as this one. Alright, but it's not 100% sure it's working, so I just need to press the power button. Let's watch this LED light. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Please, white light, come on. Come on. Yes, we've got white light. Okay, it's a very interesting job. Alright, so I'm turning on the console. Yes, we've got PlayStation logo on the screen. Brilliant. Alright, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you next time.